Now this what I'm talking about. YouTube, YouTube. Look at that right there, YouTube. Look like a 64. 64. This you right here, bro?
Yes, sir.
Hey man, beautiful job, bro.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
64 Chevy Impala, fully restored. Look like it got a Corvette LS3 engine. Oh man. Woo. Check it out, YouTube. Hey man. Woo, man. Airbag, suspension, hydraulics. Okay. Wow, check it out, man. Check it out, check it out. Woo, man. Yeah, check it out, YouTube. Look at that, mates. Look at that, man. Huh?
Could you explain to me why there's a jurisdiction sitting?
Don't touch. Get back from the car. Explain what, son?
Why is there a jurisdiction?
I don't know. Hey, bro, how many years it took you to get it like this, man? About a year and a half. Constant working on it. Here and there? Shops. Okay. Shout out to you, man. This Chevy's R US YouTube channel, man. You want to give a shout out?
I'm good, man. Shout out to Obsession. Appreciate it, guys. I'm sorry, guys.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, let's go, son.